How to check Facebook call log history. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook Messenger application on your device as Facebook call log history is connected to Messenger. Now here, once you have opened Messenger, you can simply go ahead and open each conversation and view the call log history. However, that might be a hassle and a long process to view each and every call log history one by one. So you can go ahead and directly open the phone application on your device, and in the Recents tab you will be able to view all the call log history under the Messenger name. So simply you can also tap on the search bar there and search for Messenger, and you will be able to view all the call log history only related to Messenger. So this was about how you can check Facebook call log history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.